Hello, children. How are you today? I hope you're doing fine. Compliment of the season. Today we shall be looking at our third topic for the term, which is mainframe computer, presented by Mr. Innocent Etim Essien. Topic outline: definition of mainframe computers, examples of mainframe computers, characteristics of mainframe computer. These are the topic that we are going to be looking at in this class. Objective of lesson. At the end of this lesson, pupils should be able to define mainframe computer. 2. List 3 examples of mainframe computer. 3. State 2 characteristics of mainframe computer. Mainframe computers. Mainframe computers are the types of computers that came after supercomputer. They are large computers that occupy large space, more than the size of a room. They are capable of operating multi-user in a single interface. Besides, they are capable of handling and processing very large amounts of data quickly and can perform more than million instructions per second. These computers are used in large institutions such as government departments, banks, airlines, and large corporations. The computer responds to hundreds of millions of users at a time. Now, from this note, we have seen that mainframe computer are the types of computer that came after the supercomputer. Now, the supercomputer, now I told you that we have 3 classes or classification of computer based on their size and their design. The first was the supercomputer, followed by the mainframe computer, followed by the mini-frame computer, and lastly by the microcomputer. Now, this mainframe computer comes after the supercomputer system. That is to say that the supercomputer is larger in size than the mainframe computer. They are large computers that occupy large space, more than the size of a room. They are capable of operating multi-user. Now, I told you that the supercomputer also are capable of operating multi-user. And then I explained to you that multi-user simply means more than one person using the computer system at the same time doing a different task, unlike the microcomputer that is one user per time. Is that understood? Beside the capacity of beside they are capable of handling and processing very large amounts of data quickly and can perform more than million instructions per second. Now, this is talking about their processing speed. They are very fast and very high in processing. When we talk about processing data into information, they can process very large amounts of data quickly because of their speed. They are very fast. Now we can see it. They said that they can perform more than millions instructions per second. You can see how powerful the mainframe computer is. Now I'd like us to understand something here. The supercomputer and the mainframe computer, the mini computer. They have the same capacity in processing, the same storage, the same processing capacity, and they are all multi-user computer. The difference between them is in their size, in their sizes. Do you understand? What the supercomputer can do, the mainframe computer can also do. The difference is in their size. These computers are used in large institutions, such as government departments, banks, airlines, and large corporations. The computer responds to hundreds of millions of users at a time. Now you can see these computers are used in a large institution, such as government departments. Unlike what we have today, that is a microcomputer that individual can possess, individual can possess it at home. But the supercomputer is expensive that individual cannot afford it because of their prices. And they're very large. So these computers are used in a large institution such as government departments, the bank, the airline, and large corporations. The computer responds to hundreds of millions of users at the same time. You can see how large the computer is. Now you just imagine a computer that can take hundred millions of users at a time. You should know that, you should know how large it is. So it is very large. Not just that it responds to hundreds of millions of users at the same time. Those 100 millions of users using the computer, they are not using it to do the same tasks. No, they are using it to do different tasks at the same time. Unlike what we have today, the microcomputer, that is only meant is a single tasking computer, single user and single tasking computer. It is a single user and multitasking computer. It can only be used by one person per time. And the mainframe computer can be used by hundreds millions of users at the same time doing different things. Is that understood? Now, this diagram shows this mainframe computer. You can see this is a diagram of mainframe computer, and this is also a diagram of mainframe computer. Examples of mainframe computer. You have DEC, 2 ICL, 3 you have IBM 3000 series, 4 you have IBM System ZI. These are the 4 examples of mainframe computers. Characteristics of mainframe computer. 1. High power computing capability. They have this processing speed. They are fast in processing data into information. 2. They occupy large space. That is one of the disadvantages. They occupy large space. They respond to 100 millions of users at a time. They perform millions of instructions per second. Assignment. List 2 examples of mainframe computers. Outline 2 characteristics of mainframe computer. This assignment is to be done in your notebook and be submitted when you return back to school. Thank you for listening and have a nice day. See you in my next class.